households, whoever decides to be the man in the house, he becomes the villain.
Think so?
Because he have to establish law and order. There's a scripture people always try to use: if you spur the rod, you spoil the child. Well, the rod ain't a whip. The rod is a term that's used for a rod of discipline. See, daddy got to establish law and order. Daddy got to whoop ass. Daddy got to say, hey, take that off. You ain't wearing that outside the house. He ain't like. So that's why you hear mama and them say, hey, don't tell your daddy. That's why most things is kept from daddy, because daddy can't be the good guy. He have to establish law and order when things are wrong.
Yeah.
And he have to discipline.
Right.
So he can't always be like. Mama can always be like.
Yeah.
You had daddy for something, now, boy, I got to pay the bill. Mama find a way to give it to you. So daddy is the villain in the household. Whoever enforces the rules in the house is the villain to the kids.
Right.
And whoever consistently enforces the rules is the villain.